Plans are crucial to success in any endeavor. It doesn't matter if that project is building a business or writing a book. Without planning, even the most well-intentioned projects can hit a roadblock or even stopped altogether. So how can you plan your life for success? Let's have a look at a few easy steps that can help you to achieve just that. 1. Understand what success means to you. Success can mean different things to different people. Be clear on what success means to you and how you plan to get there by asking yourself the right questions. What results do you want to achieve? What specific final outcomes do you want, and how can you achieve continuous improvement along the way? What about these goals that inspires you? Everyone wants financial freedom and a healthy workplace environment. But beyond these basics, what truly inspires you? This question gets at what drives you. What actions will achieve these goals? Life planning means setting smart goals that are feasible, measurable, and aligned with the broader outcomes you're seeking. Use the SMART goal setting strategy to make a list of practical, actionable steps that can help you to take life planning from the abstract to the tangible. 2. Identify what area of your life you would like to focus on. When creating a life plan, it can be tempting to try to improve every facet of your life simultaneously. This is overwhelming and not feasible. To be more effective, concentrate on just 2 to 3 priorities. You can always add in more later after you've experienced success in these areas. If you're unsure which areas of your life you're not doing so well in and what you'd like to prioritize on working on first, try out the Wheel of Life exercise. The Wheel of Life can help you assess each area of your life and identify what's off balance. To get a free Wheel of Life template, click the link in the description below. 3. Use a project management tool. This can help you to stay organized and to keep track of all the goals that you're working on simultaneously. The tool that I use is ClickUp. Not only because their free version offers a lot of really cool functionalities such as mind maps and Kanban boards, but also because it is really user-friendly. But of course, feel free to check out other tools in the market for one that suits your needs the best. 4. Be determined and disciplined. Whether we like it or not, we will inevitably be faced with obstacles at one point or another. Don't let those challenges discourage you or allow yourself to make excuses to give yourself the option of an easy way out. Instead, use every obstacle as an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember that knowledge is power and it can help you to open more doors, more opportunities for your future. 5. Assess your progress periodically and be open to change. Take time to assess your progress. If something is going well, take time to celebrate your small wins. This can help you to keep your motivation high as you continue your journey towards the end goal. If a certain goal isn't going as planned, assess what improvements you can make or what support you might need from others. Also, as you journey down your path, you may discover new paths, new possibilities. So don't be afraid to divert from your path and try new things. No matter what pitfalls you might face, never regret or give up. Every roadblock is just the universe's way of redirecting you towards something else. And remember, no experience or skill is ever wasted. It will always prove to be valuable in unexpected ways in the future. As Walter Elliott once said, perseverance is not a long race. It is many short races, one after the other.